Hi and welcome to Stafford Audi. This is the approved used Audi S3 Sportback TFSI, which we now have in stock. As this is a used vehicle, it does come with 12 months warranty and also 12 months roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. First of all, in this video, we'll take you on a 360 walk around the vehicle and then we'll check out your interior controls and technology. And beginning at the front of the vehicle, we do have the S3 badge in that gorgeous front grille. This vehicle does come with a daytime running LED lights, ensuring you are seen whatever the weather. Around to the side, we've got the stunning 18-inch alloy wheels with a 10-spoke star design. Also those red calipers too. We've got the aluminium style mirror housing and the aluminium window trims as well. In the back windows of the vehicle, we do have the privacy glass, which is really helpful if you've got any valuables on those back seats, and of course keeps that sun out of your eyes if you sat in the back. The seats themselves are the gorgeous fine Napa leather. In the centre, we do have a 12-volt plug socket, perfect to charge those electronic devices with. So this Audi S3 Sportback is automatic, it is petrol, it's done just over 5,500 miles. At the rear, we do have the dual exhaust pipes plus the rear LED indicators. Moving on to your boot then. The boot itself is really spacious, plenty of room here for golf clubs, your shopping, or maybe if you're heading off on a holiday, those suitcases. If you find that wasn't quite enough room, maybe doing some DIY at the weekend, then those back seats do fold down, giving you extra space. The colour of the car is a gorgeous Python yellow metallic. As we move back into the interior of the car, you will notice the flat-bottomed multifunctional steering wheel just here, which I'll show you in detail in just a second. The front seats are sport seats with the S-Line embossed logo on. They're also heated, perfect for those cold winter mornings, and a driver's chair does come with the 4-way lumbar support. The sound system in the car is the awesome Bang & Olufsen, which is part of the comfort and sound pack which comes with this Audi S3. And that does complete our 360 walk around the vehicle. Now time to check out the interior controls and technology. Just to the right hand side of the steering wheel, we do have the window and mirror controls. You also have the ability here to turn on and turn off those child locks for the rear doors. Over to the side, we do have the light controls. These are positioned just to the right hand side of the steering wheel. Using buttons on the steering wheel, you can personalise the Audi virtual cockpit display. So whether it's information about your vehicle you require, you would like to select the soundtrack to your journey on the DAB digital radio. You can also connect your mobile phone to the screen via Bluetooth. And then, of course, we do have the navigation system. Just to the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we do have the volume control, which means you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel to alter the volume. And once your phone is connected to the car, use the buttons above to take or reject phone calls. Down to the left hand side, we've got the paddle shift for the cruise control. Moving to the centre now, we've got our main display. This is the multimedia interface, which is all touchscreen. You can do various things on it, including selecting your radio station, your navigation system as well. You can zoom in, zoom out and scroll around to find your destination. You can connect up to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If we go into the car menu to Audi Drive Select, here you can choose how you want the car to perform, like the stiffness of the steering wheel and the thrust of the vehicle. One of my personal favourite features of the car is you can change the colour of the interior lighting. This is really effective at night in the dark. See whether you have it white, red, orange, blue, the choice is yours. We also have a parking camera on board, and also front and rear parking sensors, which are really helpful when you're trying to get those tight car parking spaces at the supermarket. Just below, we've got our air conditioning system. Here you can set various temperatures on the digital display, and also, of course, control those heated front seats too. Just below we do have 2 USB ports, ideal to charge those electronic devices with. Then we got the main volume control in the car. This car is keyless, so as long as you got your car keys with you, press this button here and the car will fire up. Of course, this car is automatic, so bring this lever back to put it into drive or push forward to put it into reverse. Here we have the electric parking brake and a 12-volt plug socket. And that does complete our tour today around this approved used Audi S3 Sportback TFSI, which we now have in stock. As this is a used vehicle, it does come with 12 months warranty and also 12 months roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope to see you soon at Stafford Audi.